In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on Slack. This method uses only built-in Slack features, so you don't need any extra apps or integrations. It's simple, flexible, and works in any channel or direct message where you want quick feedback or a group decision. First, open Slack and go to the channel or direct message where you want to run your poll. This could be a team channel, a project space, or even a private message with just one or two people. At the bottom of the screen, click into the Message Compose box, just like you would if you were sending a regular message. This is where you're going to build your poll. Next, type your question clearly. Make it specific so people know exactly what they're voting on. For example, you could write something like, "Which day works best for our team meeting?" Or, "Which design option do you prefer?" After your question, press Enter to move to a new line and start listing your answer options, each on its own line. It might look like Option 1, Monday, Option 2, Tuesday, and so on. Keeping options on separate lines makes it easier for people to read and respond correctly. Now it's time to turn those options into a real poll using emojis. Next to each option, add a unique emoji that will represent that choice. Many teams like to use number emojis, such as 1, 2, and 3, for simplicity. You can also use relevant icons, like a calendar emoji for dates, a checkmark for approval, or color circles if you're choosing between color schemes. The key is that each option has a different emoji, and that the emojis are easy to distinguish at a glance. Once your question and options are ready, send the message to the channel or direct message. Your teammates will see it like any other Slack message, but now they can vote by adding reactions. To vote, they simply hover over the message, click the Add Reaction icon, and choose the emoji that matches their preferred option. Each reaction counts as a vote. As votes come in, you'll see the totals automatically update beside each emoji. You can quickly scan the reactions to see which option is leading and how many people have participated. This makes it a fast, lightweight way to collect opinions and make decisions without